वेलकम माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं आप लोगों को इंटीग्रेशन सिखाऊंगा। बेसिकली मैं कुछ इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन कराऊंगा जो आपके एनसीईआरटी बुक में है पर कम है, पर इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस सीबीएसई के पेपर में, बोर्ड के एग्जामिनेशन में हमेशा आते रहते हैं। और आप जब कोई एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देते हैं तो उसके लिए भी इस टाइप का क्वेश्चंस काफ़ी हेल्पफुल है। आपको एक बात पता है, जो इंट्रीगेशन होता है, इस इंट्रीगेशन का कुछ पर्टिकुलर स्टेप्स होता है। आपको इंट्रीगेशन के क्वेश्चन को देख के दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन डालना है, ये किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, कैसे ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो सकता है। जैसे ये दो पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन का डिवीजन है, और कोई भी क्वेश्चन में दो पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन का डिवीजन आता है तो हमको क्या करना पड़ता है, देखना पड़ता है ऑर्डर। देखिए ये दोनों का ऑर्डर सेम होता है, नहीं तो इसके ऑर्डर ज्यादा होता है तो हमको डिवाइड करना पड़ता है। नाउ आई एम गोइंग फॉर द डिवाइड। सो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज x4 plus 1 and I am going to divide this by x square plus 1. So I am going to multiply by x square because x square into x square, this is x4. This is x4 plus x square. Now I have to change the sign. I am going to change the sign. This is minus, this is minus, this is cancel. This is minus x square plus 1. So if I need to make it minus x square, I have to multiply by minus 1. This is minus x square minus 1. Again sign change, again sign change. This is 2. So what is the result of this division? The result of this division is x square minus 1 plus 2 divided by x square plus 1 into dx. Is it? Because this I got, after that was as the remainder. So I have applied. So what is this? This is x square dx minus this is dx and plus 2, this is dx divided by x square plus 1. Is it? Now it is x square, so its integration is x cube divided by 3 minus its integration is x. Now this is tan inverse, so plus 2 tan inverse x plus c. So first question is done successfully. Now I am going to start second question. In the second question they said that this. So what I have to do? First I have to try to remove this under root by using the calculation. To remove this under root, I did the mental calculation. 1 means sin square x plus cos square x, and sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x. So it can be written as sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x into cos x. After that this is dx. Now this is a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to what? Is equal to root over this is sin x minus cos x ka whole square into dx. So what is this? This is, now it is whole square, so this under root symbol is removed. So what I can able to write? I can able to write sin x dx minus integration cos x dx. Now the integration of sin is minus cos, so this is minus cos x and this is minus sin x plus c, and you have to write where c is an integrating constant. Done. Good. So this is tan inverse. So you know that 1 minus cos 2x, 11th class 3rd chapter, 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. So I am going to write it here, tan inverse root over 2 sin square x divided by 2 cos square x into कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पे dx. They had given it in the curly bracket. I am going to write it in curly bracket. Now this cancel. This is integration tan inverse Sine by cos tan under root, so it is tan x into dx. So what is this? This is integration x dx. So x, its integration is x square by 2. So this is x square by 2 plus c, where c is an integrating constant. Now here, this is a new type of question. So in that situation, always we have to multiply the numerator and denominator both by its conjugate. That means I have to write 1 plus sine x, and its conjugate is again 1 plus sine x divided by 1 minus sine x into 1 plus sine x. Okay, fine, and it is dx. Now 1 plus sine x into 1 plus sine x, it will give you 1 plus sine x the whole square, and here what you will get? You will be getting 1 minus sine square x, 1 minus sine square x. This is dx, is it? So what is this? This is 1 plus 2 sine x plus sine square x divided by cos square x into dx. Done. Now what I have to do? This divided by this divided by this, and this divided by this. So what I will be getting? This is 1 by cos square sec square. I am going to step jump sec square x dx. Now sine by cos 10 and 2. So this is plus sec x into tan x, and sine square by cos square tan square plus integration tan square x into dx. Is it? Now sec square x, you can find the integration. Sec x into tan x, you can able to find integration again tan square x. There is no formula to find the integration of tan square x. So whenever in any sum you will be getting tan square x, then you have to convert tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1, because sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Okay, fine. So what is this? This is sec square x dx plus 2 sec x into tan x into dx plus sec square x dx minus कितना हो जाएगा dx, because I have written tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. Done. Now one sec square x, another sec square x, so it is 2 sec square x, 2 sec square x plus 2 integration, there is also an integration symbol, and this is sec x into tan x plus this is integration dx. Fine. Now sec square x, its integration is tan x, so this is 2 tan x. अब sec x into tan x, इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है? sec x. So this is plus 2 sec x and dx, that means plus x plus c, where c is an integrating constant. Here in this question, dx divided by root over 1 minus sin x. So I am going to multiply by its conjugate. So this is 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x into dx. Is it? Now I am going to keep as it is 1 plus sin x, and this is 1 minus sin square x dx. Is it? Now this is 1 divided by 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square x. So this is plus sin x divided by cos square x into dx. Now This is 1 by cos square x, sec square x dx, and this is plus sin x divided by cos square x dx. Now you know that the integration of sec square x is tan x. So this is tan x, and sin by cos is tan, and cos would be in the numerator sec. So it would be plus sec x into tan x, so it is sec x plus c, where c is an integrating constant, where c is an integrating constant. Now I am going to start this question. In this question they said that integration tan inverse root over 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x. Let me multiply by its conjugate. 1 minus sin x into 1 minus sin x divided by कितना हो जाएगा? 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x into dx. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Now this is integration tan inverse root over, it is whole square, so you can write 1 minus sin x whole square divided by 1 minus sin square x into dx. Done. So what is this? This is tan inverse, it is 1 minus sin x divided by cos x into dx. You should have to put a bracket here. Is it? Now what you can able to do? That is tan inverse. It is 1 minus sin x. What is the value of 1 minus sin x? Is there any value of 1 minus sin x? No, there is no value of 1 minus sin x. तब तो ये क्वेश्चन ऐसे नहीं होगा भाई, यही वाला रास्ते में ढूंढना पड़ेगा. Otherwise you can do one thing. It can be written as tan inverse sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and in the denominator you can write cos x means cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So this is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Here it is dx. Is it? So it can be written as integration cos x minus sin x by 2 the whole square. So this is tan inverse a square minus 2ab plus b square. It would be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 the whole square, and in the denominator क्या हो जाएगा? cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. After that cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. This is dx. Now this and this cancel. This is integration tan inverse cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 dx. So what is this? This is tan inverse 1 minus tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan x by 2. This is dx. Any problem? So you can write 1 means tan pi by 4. So it is tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 2 divided by tan pi by 4 plus tan pi by 4 tan x by 2. So it would be tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. So there is a dx and there is a dx. So this is tan inverse and tan cancel. So this is integration pi by 4 minus x by 2 into dx. So what is this? This is pi by 4 is a constant term, dx minus x by 2 dx. So this is pi by 4x minus, its integration is x square by 2. So this is x square by 4 plus c, where c is an integrating constant, where c is an, तो कितना हो जाएगा, रूट ओवर x प्लस 1 माइनस रूट ओवर x प्लस 2 इंटू dx डिवाइडेड बाय रूट ओवर x प्लस 1 प्लस रूट ओवर x प्लस 2 इंटू रूट ओवर x प्लस 1 माइनस रूट ओवर x प्लस 2. Any problem? Now this is root over x plus 1 minus root over x plus 2, and here in the denominator it is x plus 1 minus x minus 2. This and this cancel. So what is this? This is root over x plus 1. Basically there is a minus 1, then that is minus, this is dx minus 1, so it is plus root over x plus 2 into dx. Any problem? No problem. Now its integration is what? Minus half plus 1, so x plus 1 raised to the power 3 by 2, or here it is 2 by 3, plus x plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 plus c, because here it is half plus 1 is 3 by 2. Done. Plus cos x, you know that 1 plus cos x matlab 2 cos square x by 2 divided by 2 sin square x by 2 into dx. This and this cancel. Now cos by sin is cot. So this is integration cot square x by 2 dx. Now I already told you that there is no method to find the integration of tan square and cot square. Whenever you will be getting this, then you have to convert either sec square minus 1 or cosec square minus 1. So for this it is cosec square minus 1. So this is cosec square minus 1 into dx. So this is cosec square x by 2 dx minus dx. Now what is the integration of cosec square? Minus cot, and this is half, so this is 2 cot x by 2, because I have to divide by half. Divide by half means 2 minus x plus c. where C is an integrating constant. आ गया समझ में? Good, very good. You can write 1 means tan pi by 4. So that can be simplified as tan pi by 4 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x into dx. So what is this? This is integration tan pi by 4 plus x into dx. Now what is the integration of tan x? Tan x integration क्या होता है? Log sec x और minus log cos x. You can write is log sec pi by 4 plus x plus c. Done. Now I am going to start question number 9. What they said in question number 9? Cos x plus a divided by sin x plus b into dx. This types of question is also in NCERT book, and these types of questions are a little bit more important. So what is this? This is cos, you can write x plus b minus b plus a. Now this would be vanished, x plus a divided by sin x plus b into dx. So now what you can write here? You can write cos x plus b plus a minus b divided by sin x plus b into dx. Any problem? No problem. Now integration cos a plus b. What is the formula? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So this is cos x plus b cos a minus b minus sin x plus b, after that sin a minus b divided by sin x plus b into dx. Now if I will divide, then what would be? This is cos x plus b into cos a minus b divided by sin x plus b into dx minus this is sin x plus b into sin a minus b into dx divided by this sin x plus b, sin x plus b. Done. Now this and this cancel. This is the constant term. Now here nothing is cancelled. This is the constant term. It will be come out. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? Cos x minus, sorry, this is a, cos a minus b. Now cos by sign is cot. Integration cot x plus b into dx minus this is sin a minus b integration dx. Now cot x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है भैया? log cot x का इंटीग्रेशन log sin x. cot x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा भैया? log sin x. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? cos a minus b log sin x plus b log sin x plus b मॉड में डाल दीजिए माइनस sin a minus b 1 का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है? x plus c, where c is an integrating constant. One more question is there, the similar type of question. Question number 10. क्या बोला है भैया? sin x minus alpha integration sin x minus alpha divided by sin x plus alpha, sin x plus alpha into dx बोला है, इसका इंटीग्रेशन करो. देखिए, in this question what we did, x plus b, so I have written plus x plus b first. So here it is x plus alpha, so I will write x plus alpha first. Sin x plus alpha minus twice alpha divided by sin x plus alpha into dx. Is it? Now that will play the role of a, that will play the role of b. So what will be that? This is sin x plus alpha, after that cos twice alpha minus cos x plus alpha, x plus alpha, after that cos 2 alpha divided by sin x plus alpha, and there was a dx. Done. अब देखिए बेटा, I will take this divide by this and I will take this divide by this. So what is this? That would be eliminated. So cos 2 alpha integration cos 2 alpha dx minus cos by sin cot integration cot x plus alpha and cos twice alpha into dx. So cos 2 alpha is the constant term. So you can write here cos twice alpha dx minus this is cos twice alpha, this is cot x plus alpha into dx. So what is this? This is x cos twice alpha minus cot x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है? log sin x. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? cos twice alpha log sin x plus alpha plus c, where c is an integrating constant.